Welcome to Clearwater Lights. Today we're installing Erica lights with a light bar, the Billie brake light, and a can opener on a R1200GS liquid cooled. This is the kit including the Erica lights, light bar, brackets, Billie brake light, wiring harness, can opener, and hardware. Step 1. Disassembly. Remove the seats. Remove side panels and the battery cover. Disconnect the ground terminal from the battery. Remove the top tank cover. Step 2. Mounting the harness. Locate the crossbar behind the steering neck. Zip tie the wiring harness to the frame support. This is how the harness box should look when zip tied to the frame. Route the red and black zip cord wire through to the battery. Don't trim the wires now, that will be done later. Route the black data cable with the green connector along the bike to the area under the rear seat. Later, it will be plugged into the can opener. Step 3. Can opener installation. On this bike, without a TPM, locate the plug from the bike's wiring harness. Plug it into the can opener. Plug the protective cap onto the other connector because it is not used. Bike with a tire pressure monitor, the connectors will go between the bike's wiring harness and the TPM module. Plug the data cable into the can opener. Attach the can opener using the double-sided tape as shown. Step 4. Mounting the lights. Look for the hex nut location underneath the headlight. Affix the light bar bracket from under the beak. Mount the U-shaped brackets to the light bar using the hardware provided. Mount the lights to the U-shaped brackets with the hardware provided. Next, we are installing the Billie brake light. Remove the bolts holding the license plate frame. Mount the brake light using the previously removed hardware. Route the wire under the passenger seat to the can opener. The wire will be connected later. Step 5. Test the harness. Plug the lights into the harness. We'll clean up the location of the wires later. Appropriately trim the wire lead from the brake light and connect to the corresponding red and black wires on the can opener's pigtail. Use the included posi locks for the connection. Next, prepare the red and black power leads for connection to the battery. When trimming, keep in mind you will be adding an inline fuse holder to the red wire. Once you have appropriately trimmed the wire and installed the inline fuse holder, connect the power leads to the battery. In preparation for testing and tidying up the wiring, look around the bike and the installation and make sure there are no loose wires or unconnected connectors. Now start up the bike and make sure everything is working properly. On horn honk, the lights should flash. On high beam, they should increase in brightness. The Billie brake light should be on and get brighter when activating the brakes. It only flashes when slowing from speed. Then turn off the bike. Step 6. Reassemble the body. Clean up wires, make them look neat, and trim any cable ties. Put the side panel and battery cover back on. Put the top tank cover back on. Put the seats back on. Step 7. Align the lights. Set the lights 90 degrees square to the ground. Tighten the bolts. Rotate the right side light 5 degrees to the right. The system is preset to accommodate most conditions. Consult the manual to customize settings.